Hey everyone, today we are diving into a crucial aspect of vehicle safety, airbags. Did you know that there is more to airbags than just ones in the front? Let's explore the different types of airbags and how they protect you in various crash scenarios. Not all airbags are created equal. While the most familiar one is the frontal airbag for the driver and front passengers. There are several other types of airbags designed to protect you in different crash scenarios. Front airbags were the first to be introduced in the 1980s. But today, vehicles come with side airbags, curtain airbags, knee airbags, and even rear airbags in some luxury models. Side airbags are critical in protecting passengers during side impact collisions. For example, the side airbags in Tesla Model S were credited with saving the lives of 2 passengers during the high-speed collision in 2018. Curtain airbags provide head protection in both side and rollover accidents. These airbags deploy from the roof and cover the side windows, shielding the heads of all passengers. The dramatic case happened in 2017 where a Jeep Wrangler rolled over multiple times during an accident in Colorado. The curtain airbags deployed perfectly, protecting all passengers from severe head injuries. Knee airbags are another important innovation designed to prevent lower body injuries by cushioning the knees and legs during frontal collision. This type of airbags were first introduced in the luxury cars but is now taking its way into the mainstream models. For instance, the Toyota Camry was one of the first sedans to come with standard knee airbags, and they've been shown to reduce leg injuries in the frontal crashes by over 30%. Rear airbags, though less common, provide an additional layer of protection for passengers seated in the back. These airbags are designed to deploy during frontal impacts, ensuring that rear passengers receive the same level of protection as those in the front. As vehicles evolve, airbags continue to play an essential role in keeping drivers and the passengers safe no matter where they are seated. Airbags have come a long way, evolving to protect passengers in every seat and every type of collision. So the next time you get into a car, take a moment to appreciate these life-saving innovations. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more insights into automotive safety.